Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the US dollar CAD, we have to keep in mind that the trend is your friend, and the trend is definitely still up on the daily. There's a pretty good odds that this could just go up and make new highs. Definitely no reason to say that this uptrend is over yet. So we're definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are sitting at a Fibonacci extension level right now. So if we do get a break of structure to the downside, the first thing I would do at that point is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up like this. Then I would still potentially be looking for longs, or I would at least keep in mind that the trend is up on the daily. But none of this really matters unless we get a nice solid break below structure. And we definitely haven't gotten a nice solid break below structure. There is always a chance that this thing goes up and just keeps on going up. If it does go down, break structure, like I said, throw your Fibonacci retracement on there, look for shorts. Just keep in mind that the daily and weekly time frame is up and that you'll just keep on looking for longs at the end of all pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.